Wetlands are areas that contain standing water or waterlogged soils. Some wetlands are almost always wet, while others are wet for only a few days during the spring and early summer. Wetlands contain special plants that can survive the wet conditions. 3 of the most common type of wetlands in Pennsylvania include marshes, swamps, and bogs. Marshes contain soft-stemmed plants like cattails, sedges, and reeds. Swamps contain trees like red maple, black willow, and black spruce. And bogs have shrubby species like leatherleaf and cranberry, and the surface is covered by peat moss. Wetlands serve several useful purposes. First, wetlands help prevent flooding thanks to their spongy soils. Second, wetland soils are excellent filters and clean up polluted water. Third, wetlands also provide a special habitat for many kinds of plants and animals. In fact, fish and amphibians need wetlands to reproduce. Both the federal government and the state of Pennsylvania have laws that protect wetlands. People who want to fill or drain a wetland must get a permit before they can do so, and usually have to build a new wetland to replace the one that's lost. Therefore, wetlands are important in many ways and should be appreciated.